Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sai Pranav. In this video, we are going to learn what are data types, the number and types of data types, and many more things in Python of data types. Okay, so what are data types in Python? So, data types help interpreter in allocating memory and help in what functions to perform with the variables. So, this says that data types help interpreter, which is the Python interpreter, in allocating memory. They help in how much memory to give and where to store and like that, and help in what functions to perform with the variables. So, for example, let's say x is equal to 5, and when we'll say x is equal to 5, see, x is equal to high and y is equal to by. Then we say print x plus y, it prints hi by. So it can add strings. So the data types only tell what to do. And for example, you say print let's say z is equal to 3 and v is equal to 5, and we'll say print. Okay, let's assign one more variable. So sum is equal to, in brackets, z plus y, and it says wrong because sum for int and string unsupported operand types. So this is what data types give us. So if we do like that, they said it's wrong. So let's assume. Okay. So you can get the type of a variable with the type function in the Python. Split screen. Okay. Now you say, for example, n is equal to 20.7, and then you say type, and in the brackets type of n. So it's a float because decimal. And similarly, whenever you say m is equal to, for example, 30, so that this is an integer, we say type m. It will give us the class that is the int. So int is the integer and 30 is an integer, whereas the n is 20.7, so it's a float. So decimals are floats. Continue. Okay. Standard data types. Python has 5 standard data types. Python has the following data types built in default in these categories: text type, string; numeric types, int, float and complex, as I have shown just now; sequence type, list, tuple and range; mapping type, dict; set type, set and frozen set; boolean type, bool; and binary types, bytes and byte array. This is the table of the data types in Python. Text type. Text type. Strings in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. Strings can be displayed with the help of the print function. So let's try it. Let's open the IDLE, and now let's say with the print function here, this one, let's say w is equal to 4, and we say print 4. So this will give us the answer, which is print function, and we get the correct answer. W is equal to 4, and we get the correct answer, which is 4, print. Yeah, let's assume. Numeric types. Under numeric types, we have int, float and complex. Examples: int 10, float 20.5 as I've shown just now in the ideally. With the type function you can know, and the complex 4y. Sequence types. Sequence types. This type has list, tuple and range. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. They are used to store collection of data. We will see them in detail later. Examples of sequence type: list, example x Mercury, x is equal to Mercury and Venus, and tuple x, example x is equal to Mercury, Venus. We see one difference, that is the brackets, but we'll discuss about list and tuple. These both data types in the future videos. The list and tuple will be discussed later in the future videos. Range. So range function we can use as 6. So range 6. So you can see mapping type. This type can be used to store data value in key pairs with dictionaries, and dictionaries are written with curly brackets and have keys and values. Boolean expression. Boolean type. These can take true or false values. You can evaluate any expression in Python and get one of the answers. Binary types. The byte and byte arrays are used to manipulate binary data in Python. Thank you for watching my video. For more interesting videos, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon here and click on the all and select all notifications, and you'll be able to get all the notifications of all my videos. Thank you.